Hive Medical Academy offers clinical attachment opportunities for PLAB candidates through our valued partnership with Merepark Medical Centre.
Merepark is a long-standing, forward-thinking teaching practice with strong ties to Manchester, Buckingham and Keele universities, as well as local training hospitals. We are a proactive, friendly team with a focus on patient care and supporting the doctors of the future. I'm Dr. Gwydion Rees and I lead the Clinical Observership Programme. The programme is designed to allow international medical graduates to experience clinical practice and the role of a doctor within the NHS. It develops understanding of the relationships between primary and secondary care and cultural aspects of delivering patient care. During your time at Merepark, you will shadow a variety of clinical and non-clinical staff, including general practitioners and advanced nurses. Observers can also sit in on clinical and management meetings, helping to develop understanding of patient safety issues, clinical governance, and the legal aspects of primary healthcare delivery. We look forward to meeting you.